Hey guys, welcome to Legal Matters with Yen. And as you can see in the outside, and it's cold. Well, not really. It's bearable. It's just I I opted to vlog today outside because I just want you guys to know. Just nakakataba ng puso na kayo ay nakikisama at masaya ako na nandun yung mga mensahe nyo na gustong malaman at gustong mapatupad kung ano ang mga dapat kailangan pagdating sa mga ganitong usapin. And because of that, I want to tell you something about my insight about the legal matters with Yen is thinking of you and appreciates all your support. So in return to that, legal matters with Yen, we're gonna give some giveaways for this coming Christmas. You might get a surprise message that you are the lucky one to receive a simple gift from Legal Matters with Yen. These gifts are a very simple one, but to let you know, it is for me, it is big for me because I want you to feel the Legal Matters with Yen is there with you and thinking about you this Christmas. And also, as what I'm saying earlier, it is my way of appreciation. Legal Matters will gonna pick those lucky subscribers from here in the Czech Republic and all the way to the Philippines. Okay, let's start. What's the gifts that the Philippines will receive? As for now, I am thinking that the easiest way for me to give back those appreciation to you is I will pick 10 people from the Philippines who live all over the Philippines. Either you are from Cebu, from Bohol, from Cagayan de Oro, from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, whatever. 10 lovely subscribers, and those 10 lucky subscribers will receive a free load of whatever kind of mobile providers you have. Either you are a T-Mobile, a Globe, a Smart, or what else. That's all I can remember for now, that the Philippines has this three major providers in the Philippines. And as long as you will give me your cell phone number a week or the day of Christmas, you will receive your worth of load. And then the one in the Philippines as well, Legal Matters with Yen is not giving any free gifts to you because it's Christmas. I'm gonna give also every other occasions, or it depends to the situations. All right, so the more we get this month, the bigger chances you win of a bigger items. All right, that's why Legal Matters with Yen encourage you to subscribe this channel and like and share this channel. And who knows, you will be the 10 lucky subscribers. For here in the Czech Republic, I will pick 5 winners from my lucky subscribers. Alright, and the 5 of that will receive the V collections from one of our kababayans here that sells these products. I bet you guys knew her already. Her name is Princess. First of all, what is a V collection? V collections is a sort of an organic, natural products of cosmetics, from lip balm, lipstick, blush on, and lip scrub. So either you are a man or a woman, you're gonna receive these products. All right, when each winner will receive a package of cosmetic products from V Collections. The owner of this product that sells here in the Czech Republic is no other than one of our fellow kababayans here, a gorgeous Filipina. Her name is Princess. To support our friend, our fellow kababayan Princess, to and try her product. I have it already here with me, and I like the lip scrub especially. Good thing is that it is natural and it's an organic. So hopefully you all like this small presents that the Legal Matters with Yen is about to give you as an appreciations to you. And for those 2 lucky subscribers as well that lives here in the Czech Republic will receive a free voucher from any of the Filipino store that you would like to go. All you have to do is to go to this place, to whichever you want. As far as I know, there are only three major Filipino shop that has been established here in Prague. I'm not gonna name those names for now because I want to support all those 3. All you have to go is to go this place, and so once I choose who are these 2 lucky subscribers, receive a message from Legal Matters with Yen that you are the lucky one to this voucher worth of a secret for now. And so the options is yours. Just let me know where you're gonna go so that I can notify the store owner of the Filipino shop. Wherever you think comfortable for you where to go, then you tell me, then I will do the rest. So that all you have to do is just go this specific shop, show the code that I give you, and then you can pick whatever you want, and they will know that you have to get these items for free. I will announce how much is that very soon. In the Czech Republic, if you don't want, here are the other options. If you don't want the V Collection, and also you don't want the vouchers from the Filipino shop here in Prague, you can also transfer the gifts that I'm about to give you. You can transfer your award to your family members in the Philippines, either your friends. If you want to give that worth of award that you receive here, that would be the same worth of amount of when I send that to the Philippines, to your loved ones, to your friends, to your family members, whatever. Just let me know what are your options. If you think the V Collections or the Filipino voucher is not really your cup of tea, you can change that. And if you're thinking maybe like, oh, I want to give my reward instead and give that to my family members back in the Philippines, so we can do that. I can transfer also a load for that, or if you want, I can send also some extra cash for that, or we will see. For now, the only access that is easier for me to do is to transfer, is to give a free load for your family members or to friends to the Philippines. Okay, the options is yours. As what I'm saying, the options are all yours. So just let me know, and I will do my best to work on that one. And this Christmas is not just about presents. So this one is not gonna end in here. I'm gonna give more in the future, all right? So who knows, you will receive a free voucher from any shop here in the Czech Republic very soon. But for now, because it's COVID, this is the only way that I could think of. Hopefully, for now, as a small YouTuber here, as a new beginner. So thank you so much for all your help. For now, thank you so much for all your help and for all your support with this vlog, my channel. and hopefully we can continue our relationships and we can do further in the future. And I have a lot of interesting line to give you guys more in the future. The more we get there, the more happier and the more rewards that I'm about to give to every one of you. So thank you so much for all your help. God bless you guys. Assalamu alaikum to all my Islam friends. Stay tuned. I'll be back very soon. Bye. Legal Matters with Yen. Sign out.